This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Anthony Bernosky. Updated first floor freshly painted condo featuring impact windows and impact sliding glass door on the lanai. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo has tile in the living areas and newer carpet in the baths and will be turnkey furnished. Newer air conditioner. Gulf Winds East amenities include tennis, pickleball, bocce, chickee, heated pool and hot tub spa. Gulf Winds East is centrally located between the white sand beaches of Marco Island and all the activities of downtown Naples. The area has many restaurants, shopping centers, medical facilities and much more. Welcome to your piece of paradise. For more information, review the details below or contact Anthony Bernosky at 239-259-1207.